You guys, Sony just released this ZV-1 Mark II, and if you know, you know, it is like the ultimate vlogger's camera. It has a wider zoom lens at 18 inches. It's just under $900 before tax, US dollars, and that includes the camera, a wind muff, and one battery, not a charger. Questionable behavior, Sony. I needed a charger. But anywho, it features a better internal mic. It has a red box on the flip screen indicating that you're recording, and they also moved the position of the battery door and the memory card door, so that's really helpful if your camera is mounted on a tripod or a stand. You can access it through that, and it has like slow motion, product showcase, built-in ND filters. I got this to complement my bigger camera because it's kind of heavy, so I wanted something that I could just grab and go. I chose the white color because why not? And I chose a white stand from Sony. This thing is really helpful. It's connected by Bluetooth, and it just makes it really easy to vlog. Next footage you'll see is going to be shot on the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. Hopefully you enjoy. Do I get to be the queen?
No.
But I have on the crown. And I have a wand. So I'm the queen. Can I be the queen?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who are you?
I got Zuriata.
You're just Zuriana? You think you can hang out with the queen?
I got have with me.
What do you have for the queen if you want to hang out with me? What's in your purse?
You go.
Oh, a bracelet? I love jewelry. Thank you. I'm just going to have to go on my little baby top there. Okay. Oh, your credit card? I can have it? I can run it up?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we could be friends. And a mirror? Ooh, girl. Thank you.
I go work.
You got to go to work?
Yeah.
You work?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
No.
What do you do for work?
I got go.
What do you do for work?
I'm making room.
You gonna go to the living room?
Yeah.
That's where you work?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Am I just supposed to wait here for you? Ma'am.
I'm back.
You're back? That was quick. You're done with work?
Yeah.
What did you do today?
I got this bag.
You just took your bag?
Yeah.
Okay. So you just looked like you were working.
Yeah.
Okay. You got a lazy girl job?
Yeah.
You got a lazy girl job, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go?
Are you sure you didn't poop?
Yeah.
You did poop.